In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a new form in Paperform. Whether you're a business professional looking to streamline your workflow, or perhaps an educator aiming to simplify your data collection, creating a form using Paperform can be a game changer. Let's dive into this process step by step, starting from login all the way through selecting a template. First things first, to access your forms and creations, you'll need to log into your Paperform account. Simply open your web browser and navigate to the Paperform website. Once there, you'll find the login option, which usually sits at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will prompt you to enter your credentials. Just fill in your registered email and password and you'll be on your dashboard shortly. Now, once you've successfully logged in, you should see your Paperform dashboard in front of you. The dashboard is the hub of all your form activities, allowing you easy access to manage, edit, and analyze your forms. It may look a little overwhelming at first, but fear not. Every feature is there to make your life easier. To start creating a new form, locate the Create a Form button, which is conveniently placed at the top right corner of your dashboard. Click on it, and you'll be greeted with a couple of choices. You can either start fresh with a blank form, or, if you'd like some inspiration or guidance, choose to start with a template. Templates are particularly handy if you're short on time or if you need a common format that's already pre-designed, such as for feedback or surveys. Choosing to start with a blank form gives you total creative freedom. You can build your form exactly how you envision it, customizing each question, section, and layout to suit your specific needs. However, if you opt for a template, you get the advantage of pre-existing structures that can be tailor-edited as per your requirements. Templates often come categorized, so you can easily find a layout that closely matches your intended use. Once you've made your choice between a blank form and a template, it's all about personalizing and adding the content that best fits your goals. Think about the questions you need to ask, the kind of responses you want to gather, and how you want your form to look and feel. To sum it up, Paperform offers a wonderfully flexible and intuitive way to create forms, perfect for any scope of use. Whether you choose to start from scratch or leverage a template, you're set up for success. Just by logging in, choosing Create a Form, and selecting your preferred start, you're well on your way to collecting the data you need with clarity and ease. That's all for today's video. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions as you create your own forms, and stay tuned for more useful tips and tricks. Happy form building!